What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making a stick shelter kind of thing using this log here and some sticks, laying them across that to make like a little bunker kind of thing. So that's what's gonna happen here, and enjoy the video. I got this nice pile of wood here that I'm gonna go through and get some sticks that I need for my shelter. Alright, now that I got all my wood that I want here for my shelter all laid out, I'm gonna start digging on the inside to make it a little bit bigger. Now that I've cleared all the sand and rocks and debris, you're left with a pretty good underground bunker that you could sleep at least one person in here for sure, and maybe even make some different changes to even have a fire in it too. And thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you on the next one.